In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add Poodle flashcards to your course. I'm going to go to the section using Poodle widgets. I'm going to add an activity or resource. I'm going to select a page. And now I'm going to add the widget to page content. To add widgets, you click on the media icon, and then you click on Find or Upload, and you will see Poodle widgets. When you click on Poodle widgets, you will see all the widgets that are available. At the very bottom are flashcards. I'm going to click on flashcards, select this file, and add it to the course. Click on Insert and Save and Display. What happens is you see the navigation buttons for flashcards, back and next. I'm demonstrating this to show you that flashcards are one widget that you need to add in a different way to your Moodle course. It is not intuitive at all, so the rest of this video demonstrates how to use the flashcards widget. What you need to do is go back to your main course page, and you actually need to first go to the settings block, go to the question bank. I'm going to create a category for flashcard questions. Within the default for testing course, I'm going to create a category called Poodle flashcard questions. And I'm going to add this category. I'm going to go back to the settings block and go to questions. I'm going to use Poodle flashcard questions category, and now I'm going to create a new question. For flashcards, you use matching. I'm going to click on Next, and for question name, give a name for what you're going to see as your set of flashcards. So for this, I'm just going to create very quickly and simply matching cards for times fact. You can put a description in here for this matching question. This is not seen by the student. This would be for your use. I'm going to scroll down. Question 1, whatever you type in here, this is what the student will see on the flashcard. I'm just going to start very simply with 3 times 3, and I will enter the correct answer. I'm going to move on to the next, 4 times 4 with the correct answer, and I'll add one more flashcard with the correct answer. And now I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to save changes. Okay, this matching question now contains 3 flashcards that I will use in the flashcards widget. I'm going to go back to the course. I'm going to go to my demo page for flashcards. I'm going to edit that page. What I'm going to do is delete the inserted flashcards widget. When you add any widget from Poodle, there is another way to do so, and that's to actually go get the filter string. This will work for any of the widgets, but you absolutely have to use this method for adding flashcards. I have the Poodle widgets page open that shows these strings, and I'm going to scroll down to flashcards. Here is the string for using flashcards. I'm just going to simply copy this. I'm going to go back to the editing page, and I'm going to paste those in. Notice I don't even need to go in via the HTML editor because we have the Poodle filter recognition string on. This is all you need to do, except for one more step. Card set equals ID number of matching question. Now what we need to do is go get the ID number of that matching question that we just created. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the settings bank, and right now I'm going to click on Course Administration. I see the question bank and questions. I'm going to, on the Mac, I'm doing Control Shift. You could right click on a PC, and I'm going to open the questions category in a new tab. I have opened up the question bank and I have the times facts matching question displaying. I'm going to hover the browser over the preview icon. At the very bottom of the course you can see the web address, URL, and the ID number, which is 2617. That is the number that you need to enter into the flashcards filter string. I'm going to go back to the editing page, and where it says ID number of matching question up to the comma, do not delete the comma, I'm going to type in the number 2617. That's the ID number for Moodle to look up that matching question. I'm going to save and display. When we display the page, there is the question, 4 times 4. Click on it, there is the answer. I click on next. Here's the problem, 5 times 5, and I click on the card. I can see the answer. Click on next, and I get 3 times 3. Click on the card and see the answer. This is how the matching question will display in the course. If you want to make the flashcards larger, let's go back and we'll edit the page. In this string, and we'll make so we can see the whole string at once, card width and height. You can change these numbers to use a larger flashcard size, and you can see that randomize is on. So that is how you can add flashcards with Poodle widgets.